Hi everyone. Today I just want to talk to you honestly, like we're sitting somewhere together having coffee and discussing life. A lot of people ask why do retirees keep coming to Angeles City? Why here? Why not somewhere else in Asia? And you know what? It actually makes a lot of sense. First of all, many older Americans have history here, real history. Some of them served in the military when Clark Air Base was still an American base. They were young here. They have memories here. For them, this place isn't just a dot on the map, it's a part of their life. Imagine coming back to a city where you were 20 years old. That feeling is powerful. A lot of them have friends here. Some have Filipino wives, some have family connections. Over the years, they built their own little circle. They meet up, talk, have dinner together, share stories. Some own property already, others rent long term apartments. It's not tourism anymore, it's their second home. Now, let's be honest. Why the Philippines? Why not Thailand? Why not Vietnam? Why not somewhere else in Southeast Asia? Number one, English. And this is huge. When you're 65 or 70, learning a completely new language is not easy. Here, people speak English. You go to the doctor, you understood. You go to the store, no stress. You talk to your neighbors, no problem. That comfort means everything. Second, Filipino people. They are friendly, they smile, they help. And when you're older, feeling safe and understood is more important than fancy buildings or skyscrapers. If we talk about Angeles City specifically, it's convenient. I'm not comparing it to big cities like Manila or Cebu. I'm talking about provincial life. And for provincial city, Angeles is comfortable, good restaurants, hospitals, supermarkets, services, everything is close. You don't need to travel 2 hours just to solve a small problem. And let's talk openly about something important. Many older men need help in daily life. Cleaning, cooking, going to the hospital, running errands, sometimes just companionship. Here, even if someone doesn't have a Filipino wife, he can find a Filipino who will help him for a reasonable price. And I think the most important word here is understanding. In many Western countries, it's expensive and emotionally distant. Here, it's more personal, more human, and yes, more affordable. Another big advantage is Clark International Airport. It's right here. You don't need to fight traffic for hours to reach an airport. From Clark, you can fly around the Philippines or anywhere in Southeast Asia. Feeling bored? Book a ticket. 1 hour and you're somewhere new. That freedom is amazing. About nightlife, I won't go too deep into that. Most retirees are not here to party hard anymore. I once talked to an older friend who has lived here for years. He told me we go to Walking Street or Fields Avenue just to look around. Now we enjoy with our eyes. And I understood him. It's not about crazy nights, it's about walking, meeting friends, remembering youth, feeling alive. And let's be real about money. I spoke with one American guy, just a regular worker, not military, not a doctor, not a lawyer. His pension is about $1,500 a month. In the US, that's very hard to live on comfortably. He rents out his house back home, collects his pension, and here he lives with dignity. He can travel, he can eat out, he can enjoy life. He told me if I stayed in my state, my life would be boring. Here I feel alive. Of course, people with big pensions can live anywhere, and usually very wealthy retirees don't stay here long term. They come, they look around, then move to more expensive countries. But for regular people, Angeles makes sense. It's affordable, it's English speaking, it has community, it has warmth, it has simplicity. And guys, this is just our view. This is how we see life here in the Philippines. It doesn't mean it's perfect, it doesn't mean it's for everyone. But for many retirees, it works. Thank you so much for your support. Seriously. Every view, every like, Every comment gives us more motivation to keep making videos like this. The more you support us, the more stories we can share with you. See you in the next video, my friends.